How is a square related to a rectangle? Imagine a shape that looks like a perfect box, with all sides equal and every corner forming a right angle. Have you ever wondered how this shape connects to other familiar shapes? Today, we're going to explore how a square fits into the world of rectangles and quadrilaterals. A square is actually a special kind of rectangle. Both shapes have for sides and for right angles, which means each corner measures 90 degrees. They are both quadrilaterals, meaning they have for sides. Also, their opposite sides are parallel and equal in length. When you draw the diagonals, those lines connecting opposite corners, they bisect each other and are equal in length in both shapes. What makes a square stand out is that all four sides are exactly the same length. In a rectangle, only the opposite sides are equal, but in a square, every side is equal. Additionally, the diagonals of a square cross each other at right angles, which is not always true for rectangles. This means the diagonals of a square intersect perpendicularly, creating for right angles where they cross. Because of these extra features, every square can be called a rectangle, but not every rectangle is a square. Think of it like a family tree. The square is a special member that has all the traits of a rectangle but with some extra qualities. Both shapes are part of the larger group called quadrilaterals, which includes many shapes with four sides. Squares are also a type of parallelogram because their opposite sides are parallel. They can even be seen as a rhombus, which is a shape with four equal sides, but with the added feature of right angles. This makes the square a unique shape that combines properties from different categories of quadrilaterals. Understanding how a square relates to a rectangle helps us see how shapes are grouped based on their features. When you know that a square is a rectangle with all sides equal, it becomes easier to recognize and classify shapes in geometry. So, in simple terms, a square is like a perfect, all-around rectangle with some extra special features that make it stand out.